they should empty out all their medicine cabinets, because the real answer to all sickness can be found in foods and in your kitchen. So when a woman does not know how to cook and the right foods to cook, she's preparing death for herself, her husband, and her children. Food is a science. Nutrition is a science. This body that we have is from the earth, and everything that's in the earth is in us, but it's in us in a degree of balance. And when you eat proper food, it gives you everything you need to fight what the enemy is doing. Look at all the vacant lots. If we took those vacant lots and learned how to turn those lots into plots of land for agriculture, we could begin to feed ourselves. Teach all of this to our people. The future is in our hands. Don't continue to blame the white man. To heck with him. The burden is ours. And the journey and the battle is God's. And if we would unite, he would bless us. Oh my goodness. Taking over our community.